Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Zoe and welcome to Picky Eaters. I want to share with you 3 very easy recipes to incorporate avocado into any picky eater's diet. First, I'm going to start with a very easy, basic avocado mash on toast. Half an avocado, preferably ripe so that it has a lot of flavor, some coarse salt, the juice of a lemon, and then sprinkle it with chia seeds. Mash it up till you like the consistency. Very important to me is that the bread you use is very healthy and that it has protein in it, because that's how you kind of camouflage the nutrients. But the basic avocado mash in and of itself is so healthy. Kids love it, can't go wrong with it. Chocolate avocado smoothie. So this is for Caius, my little son, who is the pickiest of pickiest. But if I mask it with a little chocolate and honey, it works. A frozen banana, I say as ripe as you can possibly take it because it's sweeter. Half of a ripe avocado, 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic cocoa powder, honey. Caius loves honey, but you can also use agave. A cup of almond milk. I use vanilla almond milk, again, because it has some sweetness to it. And you blend it up till it has a nice thick kind of milkshake consistency, but that's it. Super simple, great for my picky eater. For my husband, who's not a picky eater, we try to keep it interesting around here. Avocado Egg Boats. Cut the avocados in half, take the pit out, crack an egg, or you can use just liquid egg whites, pour it right in, put it in a 350-degree oven, bake it for about 25 minutes. While it's baking, I like to make some veggie bacon or vegan sausage or turkey bacon. When you take it out after 25 minutes, it looks beautiful. Sprinkle whatever garnish you like. Roger loves basil, he loves chives or scallions. It's whatever your preference. It's pure protein and healthy fat, so it'd probably keep you satisfied longer throughout the day. Certainly a better alternative for breakfast or brunch than a bagel with cream cheese or butter. Thanks for watching Picky Eaters, everyone. I hope this helped you learn how to get avocado into your picky eaters in your house. Thanks for watching.